Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Today I am unboxing my very last Tribe beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription box. It's $34.99 a month. The shipping is $4.99 a month. The total comes to $39.98 bi-monthly. The value of the box is definitely there for the money that you spend for it. For me, $34.99 is just a little bit too pricey for what I have gotten. I think this is my third box. I was very impressed with my first box, loved it. I was not impressed with my second, and I do not think I'm going to be impressed with my third from all the spoilers I have seen. Here's the inside of the box. It comes with a card just like most boxes do. The August Tribe Beauty Box. And so let's dig right on into it. The first thing on top is a makeup drop. It's cruelty-free. It is the original silicone beauty applicator. And I have seen some people use these. Some people like them and some people don't. I would not use this for makeup application, but it might be okay to use when you're doing mask. And I do a lot of Mask Mondays, so like for applying a clay mask, if you don't have one of those little spatulas, this would be nice. It feels really nice. This retails for $20. And it says to use it to apply bronzers or tanners, lotions, or whatever to your body. So I'm going to think about it. I may try it for doing a clay mask. And if I decide that I don't want to try it, then I'll throw it in a giveaway. The next item on top is a dry brush, and it is exactly as it sounds. You take this brush and you use it dry on your skin before you take a shower. It helps to exfoliate. It stimulates your skin, causes the blood to rise to the top, which is very good for your skin. And it will also help you to move the lymphatic fluid or the lymph fluid through your lymphatic system and help you process it and move it out of your body. I have a dry brush. I don't know that I will keep this one. This is the W&E Dry Brush. It retails for $52, which is very pricey. It has a nice strap on it so that you can put it on your hand and use it. I'm pretty sure that I will not keep this. I will either put it in a giveaway, or I have a friend that I might send that to. The next item is this Julep Beauty Hint of Pink. It says, what is it? Transforming lip oil. What it does, creates custom color. So you put this on your lips and it works with the pH of your body to turn your lips a hint of pink, your own special shade of pink, because it works with your specific pH. This is paraben free, vegan, clean beauty, cruelty free, and SLS free. And this retails for $22, which seems a little pricey to me. And it's this big box, and that's what you get in this big box. It has a doe foot applicator on it, which is pink. And I have lipstick on, so I can't try this on my lips, but I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and we'll see if it turns pink. We'll see if it knows whether it's on my hand or on my lips. So far it's not turning, but we'll see what happens as we keep on going through the box. The next item is this Mirabella eyeshadow primer. This retails for $20, and its sheer translucent base sustains the vibrancy of eyeshadow shades around the clock. So that's nice. I definitely will try that out. And the last item in my box is an eyeshadow palette. This is Bebella Cosmetics Life in Pastel. It retails for $12, and it says, dive into this palette and create magic with these stunning pastel shades. We bet you don't own a color story like this on your vanity. It is a very pretty packaging. It has very pretty packaging. It is cruelty free, and it has a 24-month shelf life. It has a mirror in it and a shade saver, and there's what the shades look like. It is a very pretty palette. Very nice. I'm loving this blue and this green, and look at this purple. Very, very pretty colors. So that's nice. I like that, and that's a good price. I've never used this brand. $12 is a good price for, how many shades does it have in it? 12. So there's my perfect pH shade of pink there on the back of my hand. It's just a hint of pink. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. And so I'm curious about these shades. Let's swatch a few. We'll do that row that I was pointing out. They're very soft. Wow. They're very soft. I just went ham. I should not have gone ham. Very pretty colors. I love that purple. Well, actually, I love all 4 of those shades. Very nice. So let's see. Let's do the next row. Why not? It has mattes and shimmers. Here's the next row. Look at that. Very pretty. Even this one here that has a little bit of glitter in it. It's very pretty. Very pretty colors. So yes, I'm going to enjoy that, I believe. That'll be a nice little palette to play with come springtime next year. So those are all the items in my box. The box comes with full-size products. And the total value of the box is $126. Which, like I said, is good when you're spending $34.99, $39.98 with shipping. But out of all the products in the box, there's probably 2 that I will use, the palette and the eye primer. So, like I said, I have decided to cancel. I'm going to be trying some different boxes, but if you're interested in Tribe Beauty Box, I do have a link down in the description Try Beauty is a small new company, and it is a woman of color owned company. From what I read on their website, they try to use all indie brands and brands that are owned by women to support women-owned companies. So I think that that's really cool. So if you're interested, you can check them out. My card says that you can receive 10% off, so the link down in the description will save you a little bit of money if you want to try them out. They're bi-monthly, so it's not a monthly subscription. And I see that that's getting pinker and pinker as I go, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching me unbox my last Try Beauty box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Do y'all see the fly? There's a fly. Cannot get rid of them. Me and the fly, the fly, will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to dry brush. Maybe you can use that for your beard. Help you exfoliate the beard off your face. That would be nice. I'll send it to you, okay? Mama loves you, boo.